this is Mila, and I will be opening, and let's get to cracking. There we go. And it was nobody, finally, I mean, it was somebody, oh yay. It was somebody at the door, but it wasn't, I mean, they were just like selling stuff, so it's fine. Okay. I've gotten this once before already, so I'm kind of nervous. It might be... Oh, I forgot to show the pinhole. Oops. Well, I will try to find where it was on the package. I'll put it in the description. Okay, the table I don't need. There's another jar. I know that I've gotten, I mean, I guess, cauldron. I know I've gotten these already, so... please... don't be a double, I guess. I think these are the, yes. These are the stuff for the table. I mean, the bottle. Oh, no, wait, that's for here. Whoops. Okay, it is now empty. There we go. Sorry, these fell. They all fell, apparently. I will never not drop stuff. It's one of those. I'm committed to dropping stuff. Oh, have I gotten this one before? No, I haven't gotten this cat before. Okay, not a double. Because I'm kind of nervous because I had gotten some int 2s, as I was saying, from, like, Walmart here in Canada. And then my friend brought me the one from the States that are int 3, some of them are int 2. So I'm so nervous with, like, all the different theories of what's what. Okay, I don't have this one. This one is, like, a new one. So, great. We all know I won't be using it. I'll be using a spoon I already have, but I can keep it. The famous tongs or tweezers or whatever, but obviously tongs. And I'm assuming that's whatever, possibly sparkles I'll be putting in. I've been putting in a lot of sparkles, so I'm assuming there are sparkles and they're bright blue. Look how pretty. Okay. Is this the HELLEBORE syrup? I think it's the HELLEBORE syrup. Ooh, they're gems. And this is a new kind of bottle. I don't have this one already. I'm very happy. I love those little bits and bobs. I do. I really, really do. Miniverse, keep them coming because I need to... Whoopee! I need to, like, fill my own room. Okay. 15, that's with the 3, so 12. And I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... 8, so I have 4 left to collect. I have the Polyjuice potion that's left, Flesh-Eating Slug, Dragon Blood, and Leech Juice. So a little bit of everything. Although this one has a spider, so not a fan of spiders. Let's see how I was correct. HELLEBORE syrup is made. Add sparkles. Surprise! Add the gems. Pour it all in. Put the label. Okay, so it seems very straightforward. Not the first time I'm doing this, or the third. I'll just put this away to have the space, and I'll get to opening this. So this is now open. Now, usually I put all of the sparkles in, and every time afterward I complain that you can't see whatever's inside. So this time I think I'll start by putting in some of the sparkles, and then I'll see how intense the blue is, and then I might add more. So maybe that'll help with the visibility. Where are the spoons? Oh, there's the spoon. Okay. So let's start. Is it? Okay. It's colorless before I start mixing. So let's see whether it'll be pale enough. But then again, I do want it to be a nice blue as well. So it's neither here nor there. Okay, it's pretty transparent. So I do need to keep adding. Okay, like how much is enough, you know? I do wish on the ingredients it would tell you exactly how much. Like, do they assume it's the entire quantity? But then sometimes they definitely overfill it, so it cannot be the entire quantity. You know what I mean? Like the Scaligro, they had given us too much material. The Amortentia, I had to like fight for the last drop to like make sure it was nice and full. So I don't know. I guess I'll just, you know, live and learn, and you can see me fail epically or succeed. Okay, this is becoming like a nice blue, and it's still very transparent. So I think I'll add just a little bit more to have just a little bit more blue. And worst comes to worst, I'll be pushing around the crystals around inside. But they are, come on. Is it stuck or something? Oh, there we go. Okay. And I'm pretty sure I'm done with this one. So I'll just put it right here. And let's finish mixing so I can start pouring. There we go. And it's a very stable bottle, which I'm very happy with. Because it's always nice when you can put it down. Like the infusion of wormwood, the purple one, I realized at the very end I didn't have to set it on the little stand. I could have just left it on the counter, which would have been so much better because I kept dropping it. I like dropped it off camera as well, so it was quite unfortunate. But all in all, they're all pretty stable. Like Felix Felicis, that's very unstable, comes with a support. So honestly, like this collection has been pretty good so far. I have a few left that I don't have, and I will have to go hunting for those. But other than that, I really, really don't mind. Okay, it's a very nice blue color. I'm supposed to put the gems in. I mean, do I put them in? I will put some of them in. And then the rest I will keep in case of disaster. So there's 5 yellows, so I will keep 2 yellow. And there's 5 orange, and I will keep 2 orange. There's like bigger and smaller ones, so I'm keeping like a big and a small one of each color. Okay. And they're small enough that they'll easily pass through the funnel. I finally remember the word. I'm so proud. Okay. And I still haven't learned. Ooh, nice and liquidy. I just want to make sure that the gems come, because if this is this liquid, this means the gems are at the bottom. But I do want them to come down, so how do I make sure that they're there? Okay, I guess I can just keep pouring. Oh no, is it stuck? Come on, little gem. I've learned my lesson at this point. The spoon is not just for mixing, it's for pushing. Weirdly enough. Okay, this means I can... Oh no, that's gonna be one of those where I have to... It's a big bottle, so I'll probably have to like go to the last drop. At least I'll get all the gems off of the bottom, so that's good. I said 5, so I can like finally... Once I'm done pouring, I'll like make sure they're all in. Okay, I'll get back to you once I'm done like counting them and no. Counting and putting them all in. I did put all the liquid I had. It is not full. I did spread it around a little bit, try to make it seem more blue. I did put gems at the corners and they're very not visible, so whatever I added from the blue powder was still too much. So I will add, I will add the other gems, and I'll like keep an orange one and a yellow one for the top. Yeah, see, it like sinks very quickly. So I'll try to add it and then cure. There we go. This way, if I add it in cure this way, it can kind of be where I want it to be, and then I'll add the ones on top. So these ones I'll try to like put the light directly on them, so that, where's the yellow one? Stay right there. There we go. So hopefully that's done it. I'll do the bottom ones as well. This way, like they're nicely stuck to where they're supposed to be. That's the plan at least. And then I'll fling, oh no, well, yeah, okay, whoops. I will put one on this side because I already have an orange one on that side. That's not where I wanted it to go at all. There we go, put the orange one here. And the yellow one right here. And I will quickly try and cure those in that spot. Not sure whether I'll succeed or there's a sink before that, but I guess only time can tell. Okay. The string and the key had fallen behind, so I guess I'll start with the string. Do I remove it without ripping the label? I guess I'll rip the top part this time. This way I can just take it out. There we go. And then once I'm done, I'll see what faces which way, and there we go. Okay, it's not too bad, even though it's not exactly full. Now, what side do I like best? Oh, I think I like this side because it has a lot of things happening here. So I guess I'll put the key on this side. There we go. Like this. This is cute. And I can turn the cap as I please afterwards. That's adorable. Okay. Oh no. These are mini and they're like hard to tie, so I'm leaving more of the string than I would normally just to make sure that I can tie it nicely, but I will snip it off afterwards. I don't fancy having the string ends as part of the final picture. Like, you can't tell me this is pretty. So I did put the key right here. I think it looks very cute. Now, I just need to make sure the label is going on correctly, which now I'm kind of doubting where I wanted to place it. I feel like I want to place it here where nothing is happening. This way I can turn the bottle around and it's going to look cuter. So I'll turn, there we go. I'll turn this around and I'll turn the cap. There we go. I think I like it, and I'll just go write out the name. And here's the final product, the HELLEBORE syrup. I think it's pretty adorable. It's quite cute, lovely color. You can see the gems all around. Now, how do I feel about it regarding grading? Technique-wise, it resembled quite a lot of them, including the Murtlap and the Wolfsbane, and basically it was just like the sparkles and whatever, and you add them in. I did get to play with them. It wasn't too hard, so... But the bottle is kind of plain, but I do love the key. Okay, wait a second. What I will do is I will move those here, like this. And I think... Yes, I think I will displace those like this. And yes. But to be fair... Like, I'm putting it in the bottom tree, but it's not in the bottom tree because it's all top ones, because they're all really, really cute. Like, you can't tell me that this one is, like, ugly with the snake. The armadillo bile. Like, it's beautiful. They're all beautiful. It's just, it's basically, like, which one is more my style. And I think you can see that I lean toward the pink and purple. Oh, that's actually, I didn't realize it, but it's pink and purple. And, like, the whitish goldish here. And then it's, like, the other colors, which is kind of funny. And all of the ones that are in the top, like, well, 3 of them have, like, gold around, which I find adorable. Anyways, let me know whether you agree with the way I graded them. And, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!